How to make a cartoon tree in Blender. Delete the cube, add a plane, and collapse the vertices. Extrude the vertex up, and then add a skin modifier. Now you have a trunk. Extrude out some branches. Don't think about it too much. Add a UV sphere, move it up, and then go into edit mode and duplicate a few more and place them at the tip of the branches. Then just make them bigger. Go out of edit mode, right click, and click shade smooth. Now add another UV sphere, squeeze it down, right click, shade smooth. Go into the shading tab, add a new material, add a shader to RGB node, and then a color ramp node. Make the first color a dark green, make the second a yellowish brown color. Add a couple more points and then change it from linear to constant. And then adjust the position of the colors a bit. Select the top of the tree and then add the material we just made. Then go into the particle tab, select hair, and under render change it from path to object and make the object the leaf thing we just made. Click object rotation because I think it looks better. Then under children, click interpolated. Change the render amount to 10. It's way too round, so under render, bump up the scale randomness like all the way, and then adjust the scale to something you like. But I think the leaves could be darker, so let's darken them. Now the trunk is next. Select it, go to the modifiers, click smooth shading, add a new material, add a shader to RGB and color ramp node, and then do what we did last time, but make the colors more brown. That's it, bye.